Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into two essential ServiceNow functions, gs.print and gs.addInfoMessage. Both gs.addInfoMessage and gs.print are used in ServiceNow scripting, but they serve different purposes and are used in different contexts. Here's an explanation along with real-time scenarios for each. gs.addInfoMessage. Purpose: displays a message to the user in the ServiceNow user interface. Commonly used in server-side scripts that interact with the user interface, such as business rules or script actions. Real-time scenario: suppose you have a business rule that runs after an incident is created and you want to inform the user that the incident was successfully logged. Function execute rule, current, previous, null when async. gs.addInfoMessage, incident, plus current. Number plus, has been successfully created, current, previous. When a user creates an incident, this message will appear on the screen, providing immediate feedback that their action was successful. gs.print. Purpose: outputs a message to the server-side log files, system logs. Useful for debugging purposes and monitoring script execution on the server side. Real-time scenario: suppose you are developing a script include and want to log some debug information to check the values of certain variables during script execution. Please go through the script. As this script runs, it will log the incident numbers to the system logs, allowing the developer to see which incidents are being processed. Key differences: user interface versus logs. gs.addInfoMessage interacts with the user interface, while gs.print writes to server logs. Use cases: use gs.addInfoMessage to communicate with users, and gs.print for debugging and logging during development and troubleshooting. Combined real-time scenario: suppose you're developing a scheduled job that updates incidents and you want to log progress for debugging, but also inform users when they manually trigger the job from a UI action. Explanation: when the scheduled job runs, it updates incidents and logs each update to the server logs using gs. When triggered manually via UI action, it informs the user that the job has started using gs.addInfoMessage. JavaScript code continued.
Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use gs.print and gs.addInfoMessage in your ServiceNow scripts.